English learning session story time. Story: The Two Friends and the Bear. Once there were two friends who were crossing the jungle. After some time, they saw a bear coming towards them. Then one of the friends quickly climbed the nearby tree, and the other one did not know how to climb the tree, so he lay down on the ground, holding his breath. The bear reached near him and snatched him in the ear. After some time, Bear left the place thinking the man is dead. Now the other friend climbs down and asks his friend, "What did Bear say to him in his ear?" He replied, "To be safe from the fake friends." Moral: beware of fake friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.